Morning, Saturday, October 17th. I think it's day 9. We were rained out last week with Delta. I did come up for 4 hours to do the fly rafters, but that's all I got done, and then rain was coming in. Last night we got here, I don't know if you can see it or not, but I got the fascia boards and the shadow trim done on the gable ends. So super excited because today I get to start on putting the roof up. Now, somebody's on our channel. So I'm going to be putting on the metal roofing. It's at 130 inches, but because we have the overhang, I have to cut it down to 119. The directions say 119. It seems like it's going to overlap a little bit, so I'm going to have to measure and make sure. Then I'm going to drill holes just to make it easier to screw in. I told you it was getting cold here. Look at that ice. Oh my. Oh, this is going to be so exciting. Get this roof on. Look at all that man glitter. I just have to remember this top side is the side I cut. Can be a little rough. Need to be careful handling that side.
Howdy.
Doody.
Howdy doody.
Did my first cut. 7 sheets. Went okay.
Ooh, need sunglasses for that.
What's that?
Need sunglasses for that.
Oh yeah.
Shine.
And now I'm gonna pre-drill holes and start setting them up. Oh yeah, all right, set that there real nice. All right, that should be good. Down there, sit on that ridge. There, okay. Swing this around. Oh, don't you hate it? All raring to go. I think I'm gonna have a sunburn on the left side of my face. From the tin roof here and the angle of the sun. Working this side all morning. See the ridge cap, I just put a couple in to hold it for now. Before I start on the other side, I'll secure that more. These screws have a little washer in them. Kind of helps secure it, keep water out. And the directions on the kit said to screw them to high ridge. The manufacturer, the screw manufacturer, said to screw them in the valley part here. So I'm going with the manufacturer of the screws. I don't want any things. Sunday, October 18th, and really windy this morning. Super glad I got the roof done yesterday. Pretty happy about it, and looking pretty good. Now that the roof's on, I get to take down all this temporary bracing. Yeah, starting to look like a barn here. So today, after taking care of this temp bracing, I'm going to try to take care of the overhead door trim and the window trims and the corner trims.